Welcome to this video on learning Arabic language. We will focus on some basic Arabic verbs, teaching you the most important ones with correct pronunciation and spelling. Let's start with the verb to study, darsa. This verb is used to express the act of studying and learning. Next, we have the verb to write, kataba. This verb expresses the act of writing with a pen or any other means. Here is to mention thakara. This verb is used to express mentioning something or someone in conversation. Now let's look at actions of feelings and emotions. We have sha'ara, meaning to feel, and fariha, meaning to be happy. Moving on, the verb to talk is tahaddatha. It is used to express speaking, talking, and communicating with others. For actions of movement and locomotion, we have thahaba, meaning to go, and raqiba, meaning to ride. Here are two contrasting verbs. Naqasa means to decrease, and qabila means to accept. The verb to understand is fahima. It expresses understanding, comprehension, and grasping a concept. Finally, the verb to help is sa'ada. It expresses offering help and assistance to others. Let's review some of the verbs we have learned, including to study, to feel, to mention, to be happy, to come, to help, and to decrease. Our review continues with verbs such as to accept, to go, to understand, to write, to ride, and to talk. Well done! You have completed studying the essential Arabic verbs. Remember to review and practice the verbs daily by writing and speaking them in conversation.